Mabuhay og Montreal. Good afternoon to everyone. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Sa ating mga sulit shoppers, media friends, partners, at of course sa ating mga Pickleball community members. My name is Jerome Reyzano, your Davao Host Ambassador, and I will be with you for today's beautiful celebration as we bring you the official media conference of the first ever NCCC Supermarket Pickleball Tournament. Palamakan naman natin ang NCCC Supermarket. Today is going to be an extra special gathering because we are launching once again the first NCCC Supermarket Pickleball Tournament to the press and of course the mission-driven Think for Hope. This tournament, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, is dedicated to supporting the House of Hope Foundation for Children with Cancer Incorporated. Every serve and every volley will help provide a brighter future para sa ating mga munting warriors. And of course, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our team, our media friends, and our special guests for today's celebration. From Unilever team, palapakan po natin, Dan Madriaga, Shara May Quizon, and Ruth Bedoya. We also have from Coca-Cola, Ms. Marian Lurico. Palapakan po natin. Our NCCC Supermarket team, we have Ms. Jana Montaleb, Linus Labradores, Ms. Tracy Reyes, and Sir Lafayette Lim. Palapakan po natin. And of course, we have our media friends and my co-Davao content creators. Please give yourself a big round of applause. Nice to meet you all. And of course, Sir Mikey Aportadera, the head of Davao City Sports Development Division. Welcome to Davao. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, bago po tayo magpatuloy, we would like to extend, of course, our deepest gratitude to all of the brands that are making this event a reality. Let's give a big round of applause to our official sponsors, our powerhouse partners, Unilever and Rexona. Palapakan po natin. Keeping the energy high with Coca-Cola and Monster Energy Drink. Palapakan po natin. And our sports partners, Yula, Wego, and Picola. Palapakan po natin. Thank you so much for making the first ever NCCC Supermarket Pickleball Tournament possible. Maraming salamat po sa inyong committed and of course helping the community for the kids of House of Hope. And of course, now is the time to introduce to the panel for today's first ever NCCC Supermarket Pickleball Tournament Media Conference. Joining us today to talk about the first NCCC Supermarket Pickleball Tournament Media Conference are, ladies and gentlemen, palapakan po natin, the CEO of NCCC Group of Companies, Sir Lafayette Alvarez Lim. Yula Brand Ambassador, Mr. Christopher John Estremos. Tournament Director, Coach Ferdinand McCoy Camarote. Admin Head, House of Hope Foundation for Children with Cancer Incorporated, Ms. Maribel Galupar. Account Specialist of Unilever Philippines, Shira May Pasakizon. Modern Trade Specialist of Coca-Cola Philippines, Ms. Marian Lorico. Palapakan po natin. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, Davao City Sports Development Chief, Mr. Mikey Aportadera. There you go. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear from the first speaker for today, the tournament director himself, Coach Ferdinand McCoy Camarote.
Mayong hapon kanatong tanan. Well, good afternoon, everyone. Allow me first to acknowledge my colleagues right here to the right, Marian. Good afternoon. And of course, my friend Christopher John. Good afternoon. And of course, our sports development chief, Mikey, good afternoon there. Maribel, good afternoon. And of course, Lafayette, good afternoon. And to my left, Shara, good afternoon. Well, first of all, let me begin by saying that when NCCC Supermarket actually approached me to be the tournament director, I said yes right away without hesitation. I think because for one, NCCC and me actually shared the same principles and vision. Because we know exactly what a tournament should be like. And for me, there are three essentials. Now, based on our previous discussion, we actually said, okay, I know there has been a lot of tournaments in Davao City, but then we wanted to make a difference. Now, the first one that we talk about is we need to make sure that we deliver a tournament that is clear, organized, and structured. Now, as a coach, by the way, because I'm a coach in Davao, if you don't know, I know firsthand that if players know exactly the schedules, if they know exactly the time that they're gonna play, that would actually reduce their stress. And guess what? They're gonna gain confidence. They're gonna play better. Okay? And if they know exactly what to expect from them, well, they're gonna play better. So that's the first one. The second one, in this tournament, we wanted to make sure that there's going to be inclusivity. And this inclusivity is not just about the skill of the player, but more so their location. I know NCCC strategically is located right here in Davao City, but of course we live at such a time where there is social media. Every person has their own following or sphere of influence. And I know this tournament, well, I just realized really that this tournament, NCCC has positioned themselves very well, being the first retail industry that actually organized this tournament. Well, kudos to them for doing this. So I realized that if we include all players of different levels and as well as different locations, then I think we actually do like a very good like in terms of this tournament. So I mentioned about skill, making sure that even when they're beginners, intermediate, advanced, they're actually given the opportunity to join. And of course, the last one, I think the most important thing is purpose. Because I know there's a lot of tournaments in Davao, but it's mostly profiteering. I hate to mention that. But this one is different because there is a purpose, and that purpose is actually giving hope, especially to kids with cancer. And this one is really good because I'm actually a player too. I'm not just a coach, but I play pickleball. Like every single day I play pickleball. And to be honest with you, I'm so tired of playing. Because for what? I mean, what's the cause? Okay, that's one thing. And I know some other players like me, they're too tired. They want to make sure that there's something that would actually gather or attract the community together. And this brings connectivity among the players. We gather together as a community. And the good thing is that we're part of this cause. And thank you. And daghang salamat.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, Coach McCoy, for sharing that information. As we all know, pickleball is more than just a sport. It's a way to bring people together. It turns neighbor into teammates and promotes a healthy, active lifestyle. Whether you're a pro or a beginner like me, it's all about building a stronger, more connected community, one game at a time. Now, let's proceed to the EULA brand ambassador to tell us more about the partnership. Please welcome Mr. Christopher John Estremos.
Says Mike. Mayong hapon sa kaninyong tanan. Good afternoon. So, yours truly, I am Coach Chris. You call me Coach John. I'm also a certified coach as well. I've been playing pickleball like most of my life. You know what I mean? I've started playing pickleball in the States. I'm an international player. I play local and international from the States to the Philippines. So, the story of pickleball here in Davao is we were the one bringing it here in the community. Gamay pa kayo siya at that time. So it was just like 12 individuals playing. And then from there, we were like having hard time convincing the people on how to play the game, considering the paddles, proper tools and equipment. So what we did is just like, we just keep on going and playing. So as a EULA ambassador, I'm actually grateful. We are grateful to be here, to be with you guys, to this amazing pickleball enthusiast, the NCCC Mall. And then I was a bit surprised that I was just like invited to be here because I don't want to be here because mahulaw ko. Because I don't want to talk in front of the public. Pero as an ambassador, we are actually helping the community, not just playing pickleball, but helping and teaching you guys to use the proper tools and equipment. So, Piccola, EULA, Juego, we are actually giving you guys all the tools and equipment on how to use and how to play the proper game. So, again, thank you so much for having us here, and looking forward to see you guys again in the future tournament. Thank you so much.
Wow, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, Sir Christopher, for your inspiring words and for saying yes to the challenge of speaking in front of the people here. Of course, that helped us bring to life, where we are incredibly proud to partner with the leading sports brand that share commitment to excellence and community spirit. I own myself a EULA paddle, so thank you so much. Nice to meet you. Now let's proceed, ladies and gentlemen, to the very own CEO of NCCC Group of Companies to talk about the House of Hope Foundation for being the first NCCC Supermarket Pickleball Tournament's official event beneficiary. Please help a big hand to Sir Lafayette Lim.
Mayang hapon sa inyong tanan. To our valued event partners from Coca-Cola, Unilever, Yula, Wego, and Pickle Lab PH, thank you for joining us for this milestone moment. To our friends in the media, daghang salamat for your presence. I hope everyone's having a great Araw ng Davao season. It's the whole month of March. So for almost 5 decades, NCCC Supermarket has grown alongside the families and communities of Davao. Our mission has always been to provide more than just a shopping moment. We strive to provide experiences that bring people together. Today, we are proud to introduce a new chapter in that mission, the first NCCC Supermarket Pickleball Tournament. So, why pickleball? As a company, we always look for what resonates with our community. Right now, pickleball is more than just the fastest growing sport in the world. It is a sport that mirrors our own values. It's inclusive, it's intergenerational, and it fosters a unique sense of camaraderie. It's everywhere, and it's for almost everyone. It's even a secondary sport for those who play basketball or swim. So, as we launch this tournament, we recognize that the greatest victories don't always happen on the court. They happen in the quiet, courageous battles fought every day by the most vulnerable members of the community. That is why I'm deeply honored to announce that the House of Hope Foundation for Kids with Cancer is our official tournament beneficiary. At NCCC, we have seen firsthand the incredible work House of Hope does by providing not just medical support, but a sanctuary of love and dignity for children and families facing the toughest challenge of their lives. In my many visits to the House of Hope, I found it both heartbreaking, but likewise heartwarming. Through our Think for Hope initiative, the tournament becomes a vessel for collective action. A significant portion of our tournament proceeds with valuable support from our event brand partners will go directly to ensuring that brave children have the resources they need to keep fighting. To our players, when you purchase participating products and when you step onto the court this April, know that your passion for the game is fueling a child's hope for tomorrow. To our partners, thank you for believing that business and sports can be powerful forces for good. Let us all fill the courts, let us all play with heart, and let us show that here in Davao City, we come together as one community, supporting each other through a meaningful cause. I look forward to seeing you all at the MTS Pickleball Courts this April 25 to 26. Magpinabalay ta para sa ato mga kabataonan. Daghang salamat po.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for Lafayette Lim for opening this venue to all of our fellow Davaoenos. Once again, the CEO of NCC's Group of Companies. Palapakan po natin, ladies and gentlemen. As we all know, the Drink of Hope is a bigger purpose as players will not play to enjoy, to improve their skills, but also to contribute something very meaningful to this event as this is for a purpose. And to proceed, let's welcome the admin of Hope, House of Hope Foundation to share a message. Please help me welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Maribel Galupar.
Good afternoon to everyone. Maayong hapon sa mga kauban ako din na si Ma'am Marian, Ma'am, si Sir Christopher, Sir Mikey, Sir Lafayette, Sir Makoy, and Ma'am Shara. Good afternoon once again. First and foremost, I'd like to stress this one, Sir Lafayette, that NCC has been our partner, has been our donors for a decade. But this is the first time, the first pickleball tournament that has been sponsored by catered by NCC Supermarket. So I just want to read our messages and what's House of Hope Foundation. To the NCC Supermarket team, event sponsors, our friends from the media, and to all the sports enthusiasts today, maayong hapon kaninyong tanan. The House of Hope Foundation for Kids with Cancer Incorporated is a non-profit charity based here in Davao City. For years, we have served as a home away from home for children battling cancer, many of whom travel from far-flung provinces across Mindanao to seek treatment at the Southern Philippines Medical Center, the SPMC. Our mission is simple but vital: to provide a clean, nurturing environment and holistic support, from transient housing to medicines, ensuring that no child has to fight cancer alone or in an unsafe environment. For these brave young warriors, hope isn't just a word. It's a fuel that keeps them going through every treatment. When we first heard about the first NCC Supermarket Pickleball Tournament, Think for Hope, we are thrilled, not just because pickleball is the fastest growing sport today, but because of the spirit behind it. To see athletes drinking on the court so that our kids can have a better shot at life is truly moving. Every serve, every volley, and every registration fee from this event directly contributes to the survival and recovery of our patients. You didn't just play a sport, you became a part of a lifetime. On behalf of our chairperson, our staff, and most importantly, the children and families at House of Hope, I would like to express our deepest gratitude to NCCC Supermarket. Thank you, sir, for choosing us your tournament beneficiary. Your commitment to extend your help to us sets a gold standard for how businesses can uplift the community. To event partners and sponsors, daghang salamat for your support and providing a platform where help and charity intersect. To the players, thank you for your participation, passion, and your generosity. You've shown that pickleball community has a very big heart. As we always say at the foundation, cancer is a journey, but no one travels it alone. Today, NCCC Supermarket and all of you have proven that. Kang salamat kayo sa inyong tanan for giving our children a reason to keep smiling and strength to keep fighting. House of Hope has been extending, I'd like to extend this knowledge. We are trying our best, and we thank you for this opportunity for having this awareness also, Sir Lafayette, because we really have shared this journey with the community, because we know that there's a lot of children wala pa din nakita sa doktor. That's why House of Hope is extending across Mindanao. So right now we have 9 satellite offices. So we have in General Santos City, the St. Elizabeth Hospital in Valencia, the Lavinia General Hospital in Cagayan de Oro, the Northern Mindanao Medical Center in Mati. We have Davao Oriental Provincial General Hospital, and we have just launched in the Marawi area, the Iligan, the Maypakpak. We have 3 satellites there, and we also have our Tagum, the Davao Regional Medical Center, and we have our child home there, Sir Lafayette, no? So maana po tayo bago nga balay dito where our kids from the northern part of Mindanao can be catered. So thank you so much for all of you who are extending the support to the House of Hope Foundation, because you know, House of Hope cannot do this alone. So without all of you, without the community helping us, wala po si House of Hope. We are just an instrument, and we are just a bearer of these kids now. Thank you so much, and good afternoon.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, thank you so much, Ms. Maribel Galapar, the admin head of House of Hope Foundation. For everyone's information, House of Hope is a nonprofit dedicated to fighting childhood cancer in our region. Their mission is very simple: to bring hope and a cure to these brave children. This mission-driven event is a much greater purpose as we are incredibly honored to have the House of Hope Foundation as our official beneficiary for the first ever NCCC Supermarket Pickleball Tournament. Palapakan po natin. Your appreciation today, ladies and gentlemen, makes this real difference in their lives. And to proceed, let's welcome the account specialist of Unilever Philippines to discuss the collaboration of NCCC Supermarket with Unilever for this pickleball tournament. Please welcome Ms. Shara May Pasat Quizon.
Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon to all our media partners, no? To our fellow pickleballers also here and the growing community of our Davao Pickleball. So, in Unilever, no, we believe also here, no, that movement is the fundamental part of our life being. So, but we also know that this is something with the purpose. So, you need to have the confidence to push off your limits. So this is why now we are also thrilled to partner to the very first pickleball tournament of NCCC Supermarket. So this sport is actually fast growing. It is inclusive, it's full of energy, and it's exactly what we need to partner with our products. So because this tournament no demands non-stop action under the Davao sun, so we couldn't think more better sa pagpartner namo sa amo ang new product. So this is the best time also to introduce our newest product, the Arctic Rush. It's here in front of us here now. So with all the rallies that we are getting here in the pickleball, all the intense and the heat rises, this Arctic Rush here no gives our an ultimate advantage in the court. So it's not just staying dry, but it's about that instant cooling sensation. So we're making sure that every player stays fresh from their first serve until the very last point. So kabalutan no diri sa Davao, it's very init. Grabe na ang duol na pud ang ato ang summer karon. So pero kaning Arctic Rush na mga product nga bag-o karon, this is a non-stop icy freshness na para sa mga Davaoenyo nato, and not Davaoenyos lang no, but all pickleballers nato nga maka-try sa moang product. So however, our partnership also in NCCC Supermarket goes beyond with the high-performance sports. So at the core of this event, no, it's our mission that resonates deeply with our values also at Unilever. So through the Dink of Hope, we are all playing for the House of Hope Foundation, as we all know, to the Kids of Hope and to their families also. So Unilever stands with you all. So we believe also that every children deserves a chance of brighter, healthy future. And we are honored that our brands can help fuel the cause that provides healing and sanctuary for children battling cancer. So to our friends and media partners, no, we are all inviting you and encourage you to join also, and to our upcoming tournament this April 25 to 26 at MTS Pickleball Court. So let's show that the world in Davao, we don't just play hard, but we play for a purpose. Thank you so much.
There you go. Thank you so much, Ms. Shara. Truly, ladies and gentlemen, this is a mission-driven activity. Unilever shares our commitment to fostering sportsmanship among our fellow Davaoenyo solid shoppers and securing a brighter future for their children in need. For sure, this is also one of your, let me say, extended hand. Pay it forward to the community. Palapakan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen, Unilever Philippines. At para tuloy-tuloy ang ating energy, bawat player sa court, we are also proud to have our Unilever and Rexona as our major sponsors sa isang fast-paced game gaya ng pickleball kung saan bawat pivot at volley at talagang intense ang 72 hours protection at icy freshness ng Rexona ang nasisecure na fresh at confidence ang ating mga players. Powered by the Thermocool technology that instantly cools skin up to 20 degrees Celsius, so you can always feel the ice in your game. So you can visit this booth later. We also have here our mini court. You can also play our pickleball. We have our ball here and our paddle. Let me show you guys, okay? So we have here our paddle, and of course you can count the holes of this ball to secure those holes, okay? Please hold it para you can play it later, okay? We have a lot of paddles and balls there out there. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, to share the collaboration of NCCC Supermarket with Coca-Cola Philippines for this pickleball tournament, please welcome the modern trade specialist of Coca-Cola Philippines, Ma'am Marian Norico.
Maayong hapon sa tanan. So, same with Sir Christopher, no? So, introvert po ko, so hindi ko ganahan speak in the public, no? But still, we are proud as being part of the first pickleball tournament ni NCCC. So, as a beverage company, we are not just a beverage, but we also have our vision and mission to the community that we do also in other ways. We are not just providing beverages or freshen up or any occasions that we have. So, knowing Coca-Cola is for every occasion. So, any occasion, family occasion, tournaments, and everything, andun parati si Coca-Cola because our assortment selects all occasions as well. So we have for the pickleball, we are refreshing with our Wilkins water, which is the most trusted water, not only for the athletes but also for moms and for the doctors as well. And our energy drink, we have our Monster, our premium Monster energy drink. So we are the brand carrier for the Monster. So this is also providing our players, lalo na yung sa mga long rallies and mga intense games, this will provide an additional energy para to long last with the play itself. So we at Coca-Cola, we are very happy and appreciate being a partner for this first ever pickleball with Big for Hope. We are not just sponsoring, no, but we are also investing to help our children at House of Hope. So House of Hope is medyo malapit din sa heart ko kasi during college days, doon din kami always nag-community service. So, thank you NCCC, and we are looking forward for all the players this April 25 and 26.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Marian from Coca-Cola Philippines. I can definitely say yes. Malapit din po sa puso ko ang House of Hope because I think when I was in college, we visited the vicinity and that was very, very small and it really touched my heart how these kids fighting for their cancer. Kailangan palapakan natin ang House of Hope for being there, sipping it forward and helping these kids, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, para matulungan ang ating mga athletes na manatili sa top of their game, we are thrilled once again to have Coca-Cola and Monster Energy and of course Wilkins as one of our major sponsors. Palapakan naman natin. Thank you so much. Sa gitna ng mga intense rallies, Coca-Cola provides the essential quick-acting glucose para ma-replenish ang ating mga energy at mapanatili ang inyong hydration. And for those moments na kailangan nyo talagang i-unleash ang beast, nandyan po ang Monster Energy to sharpen your focus and boost your endurance. With their support, sinusigurado po ng bawat player ay may fuel na kailangan para ma-dominate ang court. Of course, staying hydrated is the main foundation of every great play. Kaya naman, Wilkins ensures that our players are fueled with the purest, safest water, helping to regulate body temperature at para manatiling fluid ang galaw ng ating mga muscles. Thank you so much. And to give us a special message, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Davao City Sports Development Chief, Mr. Michael Apontadera.
Salamat. Maayong hapon, kaninyong tanan. We'd like to thank, of course, Sir Lafayette and the whole of NCCC for hosting this press con. The city government of Davao acknowledges the exponential growth of the pickleball community. This sport, to my understanding, started in 2016 in Cebu. It was introduced by an expat. And this whole concept of pickleball is indeed a community-based sport. Getting people together. Tama yung sinasabi ng ibang panelists. Getting families together. Getting everybody together to play in one common pickleball area. The intention of pickleball is actually getting people close to one another, sharing the same passion, sharing the same love for the sport, and of course, the most noble thing and the most meaningful thing with this tournament that we are collaborating with is playing for a purpose. Tama yung sinabi ni Ma'am Ciara, tama ba? Did I pronounce your name right? Yeah. Playing with a purpose. That's really something that you should put in your heart if you are joining this tournament. That purpose is creating a difference for the children of the House of Hope. Now, charity is best practice when no one is looking. And the best way for us or people who would want to join this tournament is by practicing to help the advocacy of House of Hope. That way, no one is looking. But the moment you join this, remember the proceeds goes to this very active beneficiary of the city. And House of Hope, mind you, is a place wherein we make a difference and give hope to these children that they think they do not have anybody else to turn to. And those are the people that will join this tournament. Today, to be honest with you, it was a pickleball field day. Nga no? Kaya I had 2 meetings of pickleball organizers and owners of courts. I had 1 site visitation just a while ago before this na napuy ako kaya nga pickleball court opening up somewhere in Matina. In the city, to my record, we are actually looking at around 25 to 30 courts opening. And I had the pleasure of talking to Coach Chris here and nag-story mi bahin on the community itself. They started way back. If I remember, there was one person na ilang kauban who always tried to set an appointment with me to discuss the sport of pickleball. But apparently, nobody would want to, be interested in that. But now it is really the whole city and every pickleball player in the city, murag mga buang yun. I really have to say that. Because, every day they play. Executives, students, employees. Kasi ibang bagay, wala silang panahon. Pero pag pickleball gani, automatic ginasa. After office, they go to pickleball courts. They go home at around 10 or 11. Usahay paniod to. Mag-absent. Di ba? Oh, they play because that's the only time that they have time to play it. I am saying that because I've been asking around. And mind you, most of the courts in Davao City, walay bakante. Walay bakante. You have to pay, siguro for a month's time, tama ba, Coach Makoy? Yes. O, sambat-samba ragit kung makakuha kag bakante. That's how lively and that's how active the pickleball community in Davao City is. Coach Makoy and Coach Chris, these guys have been very busy. Tama ba, Coach Makoy? May mga buhay pa ba kayo sa aside sa pickleball? Alright, they're trying. And that is a fact. People are hiring these 2 guys to make them better pickleball players. And I tell you, sugod siguro alas 5 sa buntag, hantod alas 12, tama ba? 10 o'clock, nakapapahuwi pa siya. But these guys are helping out people. Same way as if you want to join this, you are helping out the House of Hope. Pila man ang registration if you are playing for a purpose. That purpose is helping the House of Hope. At least, you are happy because you know that you are playing for the kids. You're not playing for you want to win as a podium winner, but you're playing for a purpose. Yes, that's the cause. But if you play for a purpose, it totally changes the whole scenario. It gives you meaning to yourself being not just a pickleball player, but at the end of the day, you could tell yourself and your family once you're done, I have helped the House of Hope. So let that be also the same advocacy and share the same fervency to other people who would want to be part of this. Thank you, Sir Lafayette, for having this vision for the House of Hope. Dako ginambutang sa mga bata. And of course, I'd like to thank also the other panelists here. And I'm truly honored to be with these panelists because these panelists are also, like most especially Sir Chris and Coach McCoy, these are the most sought after people in the city nowadays. Tama ba? Kasi alam ko yung mga nagatanong sa akin kung may bakante pa, anong number ni Coach Chris, anong number ni Coach McCoy, wala ko yung ibala na nila. But I tell you, if you want to learn it, na. If you want to see how pickleball players play together, their happiness, the energy, join this. It doesn't actually tell you na, I cannot play that because I don't have time. Come on. the community concept of pickleball, people of all ages can play. All ages, even you, ma'am. I tell you, in pickleball courts, basta punta gani katong mga medyo senior. Tama? Lunchtime, katong mga nakasipat sa opisina o sa eskwela, mudalikyat pagod sila dula. And then hapon towards evening, that's where all the crazy people are. So if you want to look for somebody in the city and you don't know where they are, go to pickleball courts. Narana sila diha. But that's how it is. Pickleball changed the whole scenario of the city. Why? Nihinay ang bar sales sa mga inanan sa gabi. Kinuna. Kaya instead of wasting their time getting drunk and intoxicated, they play. And they go home around 10 o'clock. If they do indulge in a bottle or two, at least medyo satisfied sila because they have exercised. So I encourage everybody to learn the sport. Because the courts here in Davao City, north, south, east, west, tanan na yun. And there is no excuse for you guys not to exercise anymore. Because ang sunod ana, basig inyong silingan, pickleball court na. I mean, gyms are everywhere now. Davaoenos are very active nowadays, if you noticed. And Davao City has already proven the fact that we can host international events. And I hope pickleball will already level up to that aspect. And yes, we can. Yes, we can. Like what I had a meeting this morning, as I mentioned earlier. These guys were bringing in, the players from different countries of Southeast Asia. And that will happen soon. It's very inspiring for us to know that there is no more excuse na dili ta mag-exercise. Value yourself. Value your soul and share the love for pickleball because that's the easiest way to have fun with people. Easiest way to mingle with people. If you are an introvert, Marian, ay kabalaka. Because pickleball will really help you, I tell you. Especially when it's open play. Because you're put up against people you do not know. But you'll have fun. I guarantee you. So try it, ma'am. Naman si Coach Chris yung tukan. Daghang salamat sa inyo. Sir Lapaya, thank you. House of Work, more power.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, thank you so much, Sir Mikey, for being here. Of course, showing your support to this first ever pickleball tournament here at NCCC Supermarket. Truly, indeed, playing a pickleball was really not my thing before because I was like a badminton player. But when my friend out here, Aliana, introduced me to this game, I was like, oh, okay, this game is really nice. And I was not expecting that I would be able to purchase my own paddle, my own outfit and gears. I was able to build a community. Building, mas marami ka makikilala, CEO, executives and everything. You really don't know those people who are wearing those outfits. But of course, you're building a community. And really true, ang dami-dami ng court sa Davao, but then pahirapan din po talaga yung booking. Hindi naman ako morning person, but then parang 1 hour to 2 hours, sige, sugal na lang as soon as we can play the game. So once again, palapakan po natin muli all of our panels, ladies and gentlemen. You may be representing different brands, but good to know you are stepping forward in, facing one common goal in helping this children's warrior in the House of Hope Foundation. Palapakan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen. And with that, for sure, you have plenty of questions. We're now opening the floors for questions. Wow, meron din tayong pinakaunang gusto magtanong. Okay, can we share one microphone?
Here, sir.
Okay. Okay, hello. Please introduce yourself and ask questions.
Okay. Hello. Asa ba? Hello. First and foremost, maayong adlaw, mabuhay og madayaw. I am Carlo Dolier of Kadangpan Digital, and I think maybe I would like to ask the tournament director. I think this is very intriguing of how many target number of participants will be participating in this first ever tournament.
Okay, now let's calculate. There are 6 categories. Every category has 20 teams. So that means 20 times 2, that's 40. 40 times 6, that is equal to, someone in the audience can answer the question? 240. Well, excellent in math. Thank you.
technically, also, what are at stake of prizes if given, if any of those will win in each category?
Okay, interesting question. Actually, we made it fair. First, it's gonna be 15K. Second, it's gonna be 10. And then third is 5,000 pesos.
Wow.
And of course, don't forget, there's gonna be medals. And this one, I don't know if I'm gonna mention this, but do I need to? Okay, the winners will get Yula paddles.
Wow. Okay. For the benefit of other media friends who might ask, to Sir Mikey, kani medyo off the script, no? Pero mag-ask ko kay anam-anam nang nakatag naman po ang mga pickleball courts dito sa syudad sa Davao. But how can it be benefit po economic-wise, exercise-wise, and also mga non-Davaoenos will participate?
Well, let's look at the economic wise. No, businesses are already booming with the pickleball court business. No, number two, people are investing in outfits. Dapat winning daw na abot sa dapat pareho sa media, sapatos. So the retailers that are found in malls are, benefiting from it. Pag sinabing tourism,
Yeah.
yeah. As far as I understand, Mindanao is connected in one big landmass. People can just travel to Davao City at any time if they want. If there's a tournament, they come here. If there is a very good reason for them to play with probably their friends here in Davao City, they could just travel by land. And also, of course, they would, on the side, they would move around to see some mga tourist spots. They would eat in our restaurants. At the end of the day, the city is, benefiting from all of this. Now, the good thing about pickleball, it's a different movement. Like just last Sunday, we had the Ironman 70.3. That's an international event. And the upcoming event of pickleball, as I heard from those people who I met earlier, are bringing in players from Southeast Asia. Those are non-Filipinos. So, dako na siya naon sa, dako gina siya natapang sa city sa Davao.
Okay. Last question for Sir Lafayette. Probably this is more important for this, but how can it also benefit for the next pickleball tournaments that will be mounted through this partnership with House of Hope and some other beneficiaries that you will spontaneously seek around?
Well, hopefully, after this, I'm sure there are already other tournaments happening in Davao City. And then if our current partners and more partners will continue to support this tournament and we want to support succeeding tournaments, then we can do this on a yearly basis or kung mag-support pa ang mga support. So, ayun po. So, it can be a start and if it's gonna be a successful tournament, then it will spawn even more tournaments in Davao City.
Okay.
Thank you so much. I hope that answered your questions. Anyone from the media, partners, content creators, would like to ask question? Ian. Yes, Sir Ian.
Volunteer naman ko ni Mikey. But anyway, I'm just curious, how and who can join the pickleball tournament, and are they going to join by team or individual?
Well, first of all, they're gonna be joining with a partner because this one is doubles. So we don't have singles category yet, but who knows, in the future, we might be having one. But for now, we focus on doubles. So there's beginners doubles, women's doubles, and men's doubles. And then for intermediate, we actually divided that into two. There's low intermediate and also high intermediate. And then it's all doubles, men's doubles and women's doubles. Now, for you to be able to join, actually, well, sad to say at this time you can join no more because the registration, the pre-registration is already closed. Yes. So that means we've already achieved our target.
Yeah, thank you so much. So I guess that's a pressure for them to create another quarterly pickleball tournament. For those who are, yes? Okay. By the way, for those who are curious, paano sila sumali dito? How were they able to, sign up? So actually, we have here our participating products, ladies and gentlemen. All of our doubles na nagpa-register po they just need to purchase 1,000 worth of this participating items. They just need to pay 500 pesos for the registration, fill in the form, and they get to have their t-shirt for free. So, unfortunately, there were a lot of people registered, but 240 lamang po ang ating na-accommodate. So, for sure, Sir Lafayette na mag-iisip, next partner kaya natin next tournament na. And of course, the brands will still be there for that. Yes, you have a question, right?
I'm just curious how popular this sport also is for kids, and in the future will we also have tournaments for kids, and what ages can join?
That's a very interesting question. Right here in Davao, we do have actually a coach who specializes with kids, and his name is Coach Kevin. And there's also one at Super Smashers, by the way. We call that Batang Pickleball. And I heard that the registration is actually very affordable. About 600 for a month. And yeah, and that is actually a good start for maybe, like, I would say kids from 6 to could be like, 15. Yeah, because beyond 15, I think they should be under me, okay? No. So I would say, like, kids at age 6 to 15, yeah, for them to be part of Batang Pickleball.
Okay, thank you. We have also one question handed sa akin kasi shy to ask. This is for Miss Shaira. We noticed that the launch of Rexona Arctic Rush, why is Pickleball Tournament the right venue to also introduce this new deodorant?
Ayun nga, as what I said kanina, no, Arctic Rush is really from the core of giving freshness to our pickleball players. I myself also is a user of Rexona product. Not only because I'm from Unilever, but I always make sure myself that before I go play, I stay fresh. And Arctic Rush is something that we did specialize for pickleball players. Not only pickleball actually, but all players na inclined with playing, with sweat. So they get the freshness here with our new product.
Thank you so much. We also have another question for Miss Marian. So a lot of companies are there, a lot of businesses are there. Why did Coca-Cola, by the way, choose to partner with NCCC Supermarket specifically for this very first tournament?
Okay, for this, kasi NCCC and Coca-Cola, our partnership is rooted talaga, not just for this type of event, but also in providing freshness with the community itself, no? Not just in retail, but also in other occasions. So, as being one, nung nalaman ko na they will have the pickleball, so we grabbed the opportunity. Being a beverage company, yes, this is an advantage or even beneficial for us because it's not just showing our brands, it's not just sponsoring the games, but also having the purpose also to help the beneficiary, the House of Hope. So, isa yun sa vision din ng Coca-Cola to have our community service with our partners at the business sector.
Wow, thank you so much. Palapakan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen. Any other questions from our media partners and team? For sure, all of your questions are answered, pero yung nasa utak niyo, bakit hindi ako makaregister ngayon? So ladies and gentlemen, that only goes to show that pickleball here in Davao City is really top of their game. Palapakan naman natin once again all of our panelists. Thank you so much. I'd like to request everyone to please stay there, stand for a while for a photo opportunity.